Welcome back to the KK Autos. Today we're diving into something truly exciting and unexpected, the Volvo Motorhome 2026. Volvo has long been associated with safety, innovation, and Scandinavian design. But this is the brand's boldest step yet into the world of luxury travel on wheels. This motorhome is more than just a camper. It's a rolling piece of architecture, a blend of cutting-edge engineering and the calming minimalism that Volvo does better than almost anyone else. The first thing you notice when you see the Volvo Motorhome 2026 is how sleek and elegant it looks for a vehicle of its size. Most motorhomes are big and boxy, designed purely for practicality, but Volvo has taken a completely different approach. The exterior features clean aerodynamic lines, a bold front fascia with the signature Volvo grille, and slim LED matrix headlights that give it the same sharp, futuristic look as their latest SUV lineup. The tall panoramic windshield creates an open, commanding view of the road ahead, while sculpted bodywork along the sides helps reduce drag and improve efficiency. At the rear, the signature Volvo taillights have been reimagined to stretch vertically across the back, giving the motorhome a modern, distinctive presence. Large, flush-mounted windows run along the side walls, giving the impression of a high-end architectural space rather than a typical RV. You also get practical touches like an automatic side awning, hidden storage compartments, and built-in solar panels on the roof, all seamlessly integrated so they don't ruin the clean design. Step inside, and you're immediately greeted by a space that feels more like a Scandinavian loft apartment than a motorhome. Volvo has gone all in on natural materials, with light oak wood trim, recycled textiles, soft-touch leathers, and a calming palette of whites, grays, and muted blues. The open-plan layout is airy and uncluttered, with large windows that flood the interior with light. At the front, the driver's cabin blends seamlessly with the living space, and the seats swivel to form part of the lounge area once you've reached your destination. The dashboard is pure Volvo minimalism, featuring a large vertical touchscreen powered by Google's Android Automotive system, with built-in Google Maps, Assistant, and a suite of smart home integrations so you can control lighting, climate, and entertainment with your voice. The living area is designed to adapt depending on how you're using it. There's a modular sofa that can extend into a bed, a dining table that slides and folds away, and hidden storage spaces that make the interior feel uncluttered. The kitchen is compact but well equipped, with induction hobs, a built-in fridge and freezer, a convection microwave oven, and even a small dishwasher. Moving further back, you'll find the master bedroom with a full-size bed, high-quality mattress, and clever storage underneath. Ambient lighting can be adjusted to match your mood, and blackout blinds ensure total privacy when needed. The bathroom feels nothing like what you'd expect in a motorhome. It features a rainfall shower, a vessel sink, premium fixtures, and sustainable water recycling technology that allows long trips without worrying about running out of fresh water. Performance is an area where Volvo really sets this motorhome apart. Instead of relying on traditional diesel engines, the 2026 Volvo Motorhome is fully electric, powered by a dual-motor all-wheel drive system derived from Volvo's flagship EX90 SUV. It produces around 500 horsepower, giving it effortless performance for a vehicle of this size. Despite its mass, acceleration feels smooth and strong, and highway cruising is almost silent. The battery pack is enormous, providing a range of around 350 miles on a full charge, and the integrated solar roof helps trickle in extra energy when parked. Thanks to fast charging capabilities, you can add over 200 miles of range in about 30 minutes at compatible stations. The suspension is adaptive air ride, meaning it automatically adjusts for road conditions, keeping the ride serene and stable. Whether you're gliding along a motorway or tackling uneven country roads, Volvo's legendary safety tech is, of course, standard. Things like pilot assist, semi-autonomous driving, 360-degree cameras, blind spot monitoring, and advanced collision avoidance all make piloting a vehicle this large surprisingly stress-free. Now, let's talk about the price, because this kind of design, technology, and luxury doesn't come cheap. The Volvo Motorhome 2026 is expected to start at around $400,000, putting it well above traditional RVs, but still competitive when you consider the technology and craftsmanship on offer. With options, customization, and bespoke interior packages, the price can easily climb closer to $500,000 or more. But what you're paying for isn't just a motorhome. It's an entirely new way to experience travel, sustainable, connected, and wrapped in Scandinavian luxury. In the end, the Volvo Motorhome 2026 is a game-changer. It takes the freedom of the open road and combines it with the refinement and safety of a high-end luxury car. From its striking exterior to its serene, functional interior, from its advanced electric drivetrain to its commitment to sustainable design,